Children's Day. Everywhere in the school there are pamphlets for Children's Day. Gattu, Chinky, Bunty and other friends see the pamphlets.
Gattu Chinky, look, there is some fair in the school. Yes, Bunty, there is a fair in the school to celebrate Children's Day. It will be so much fun. Look, it is written that there will be swings and many games and lots of amazing prizes too. Wow, I wish 14 November comes soon. And there must be food and drink shops too. Just thinking about it is making my mouth water right now.
Gattu, Chinky and all the friends were standing in the corridor and talking while looking at the pamphlets. Then the teacher calls Gattu by his name from the door.
Gattu Chinky, come here beta. Yes ma'am, you called me. On the day of Children's Day, there is a fancy dress competition in the school. Some guests will also come from outside to see it. So you have to come dressed as Chacha Nehru on that day and say something about him on the stage, okay? But ma'am, fair is also on that day. So after your program, you can go to the fair, okay? It's fine, ma'am.
Hearing the teacher, Gattu comes home sad from school and tells Mummy.
Mummy, on 14th November, Children's Day will be celebrated in my school and I have to go to the school as Chacha Nehru. Chacha Nehru? Wow! But why are you so sad? Because I will not be able to go to the fair. Come on, enjoy the fair after speaking on the stage. Don't be sad. You have to speak very well. But do you know who is Chacha Nehru? No, Mummy. Who is he? I will tell you everything about him. Mummy, I am going to have a lot of fun in the fair.
Children's Day had come and Mummy was getting Gattu ready. Gattu was wearing kurta pajama, Nehru jacket and Nehru cap.
Here, Gattu, put a red rose in your pocket too. Chacha Nehru loved red roses a lot. Mummy, tell me who is Chacha Nehru and why do we celebrate Children's Day? Gattu, Chinky, today on 14th November is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of our country. When our country was under British rule, then Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru worked with other freedom fighters to liberate our country and fought for its freedom. He loved children a lot. That is why his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. Come on, go now. You will be late for school. Remember the dialogues for your stage. I will come to see your program. Bye.
All the kids got ready and reached the school. Gattu is very shy in front of everyone. They enter and see that whole school ground was decorated for the fair. Gattu and Chinky keep looking at the rides and stalls.
Oh wow! The whole school is decorated for the fair. It looks so beautiful. Today we will have a lot of fun. Walk a little fast, Gattu. Your ma'am is calling you on the stage. Hey Chinky, I don't want to go on stage. I also want to have fun with you in the fair. No, Gattu. You have to speak on stage. You can see the fair later. Go up now.
Gattu can't stop himself. And while running, he says to Chinky,
I am going to see the fair. Wait, Gattu, wait.
Gattu starts running and goes to the game stall with Bunty. First of all, both of them play a game in which they aim at the balloons.
Let's go, Bunty. Aim at the balloons. I will try first. Burst! Burst! Wow, Bunty, you burst both the balloons. Now it is my turn. Yes, if you can also shoot the way I did, then I will salute you.
Gattu turns the arrow towards the shopkeeper by mistake. The shopkeeper is frightened.
Oh no, come on now, hit the target.
Hey, where are you aiming? Do you want to kill me?
Gattu, you have to burst the balloons, not our heads. Leave it, let's go somewhere else. Yes, I am not enjoying here. Let's go somewhere else.
Both of them see the stall of the ring game and go there.
Let's play this game of putting rings. There are so many interesting things kept here. Yes, this is looking great. Now it's my turn.
Gattu is throwing the rings very well. And he wins a lots of things. Both of them are jumping with joy.
Hooray! I have got this packet of chips. Hooray! Let's go for the swing now. It will be so much fun. Let's go.
Both go to the merry-go-round and are laughing while holding the shoes.
How much fun this is, Bunty. Yes, Gattu.
Just then, Gattu's eyes fall on the stage and he remembers the fancy dress.
Hey, Bunty, I forgot about the fancy dress. Stop the swing. Keep sitting, Gattu, keep sitting.
Gattu gets nervous and asks to stop the ride. As soon as the ride stops, he runs towards the stage.
Ma'am, I have come. Where were you, Gattu?
Gattu goes on the stage. With a heavy heart, Gattu goes on the stage and sits with some other children. He was watching the whole fair from there, and while watching the fair shops, he thinks,
It was so much fun there. Gattu, get up. It is your turn. Go and speak the dialogues on the mic. Good afternoon. I am Gattu. I have become Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru today. Today I will say some of his words in front of you. Children are like flowers in the garden and they should be
While speaking, Gattu's eyes fall on Chinky, who is eating golgappe. Gattu's mouth waters and he starts saying something else.
They are like golgappe in a garden which should be kept in the mouth with love. Golgappe, Gattu, not golgappe. They are like flowers.
Mummy was sitting in the audience and was gesturing for Gattu to speak. The whole audience starts laughing loudly. The other children also start laughing seeing him. Gattu immediately runs away from the stage and without thinking, starts eating golgappe at the golgappe shop with Chinky.
Look, today Chacha Nehru is also enjoying the golgappas.
Gattu keeps eating the golgappe.
In the end, Gattu actually enjoyed Children's Day. If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.